Hello, welcome to Hommadegourmet. I'm Dr. Namita, a dentist by profession and a passionate home cook who loves sharing authentic coastal flavors from my kitchen. Today, I'm making one of my absolute favorite seafood dishes, a simple, comforting crab curry inspired by my mother's cooking. This recipe has always been one of her best kept secrets, and today I am recreating those beautiful flavors and memories right here with you. For this crab curry, I have taken 1 kg of fresh blue sea crabs. First, wash the crabs well under running water to remove any sand or dirt. Now remove the small legs and sharp tips if needed. Then gently open up the top shell and clean out unwanted parts such as gills, mouth parts and stomach sac. Wash them again gently so that the sweet crab meat is retained. Now the clean crab pieces are ready to go into my mom's special crab curry. The masala for this crab curry is beautifully simple and full of coastal flavors. I'm using 200 grams of freshly grated coconut, or you can use one small whole coconut. So let's start the process by frying the red chilies for a few minutes and later add the coriander. I have taken around 1.5 tablespoons of coriander. Stir fry them, add few peppercorns. Now goes in the onion and garlic, then the coconut, and stir fry this mixture for close to 5 to 10 minutes. Add turmeric powder and a little of tamarind and transfer to the mixie jar. Grind the mixture into a smooth paste. So now let's make the curry. Heat a pan, add generous spoon of coconut oil, add sliced onions and saute until soft and lightly golden. Next add some green chilies and freshly grated ginger for that coastal flavor. Now add the cleaned crab pieces and mix well. Break the crab into two if it is large. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour little water, cover and cook. Crabs for 5 minutes until they begin to turn beautiful bright orange. Now add the freshly ground masala and give the curry a gentle boil. Mix everything carefully so the rich spicy masala coats every piece of the crab beautifully. And that's it. My mom's simple, comforting coastal crab curry is ready. Serve it hot with a steaming bowl of rice. If you love home-style coastal food that is easy, soulful and packed with flavor, you're going to enjoy this one.